Hey everyone, my name is Deepak, and today I'm going to walk you through one of the latest productivity apps which you can use to manage tasks or projects for free. So, if you're a student or teacher or freelancer, then this video is for you. The app is called Todoist or Todoist, whatever you call it. One thing I can tell you, it is gaining popularity for its easy to use interface and availability across all versions. So in this video, I'll be covering the free version, which of course anyone can use. So let's jump right in. First, let me show you how to download and sign up. So for that, you can go to todoist.com and downloads and choose your system and download the app. Once you launch the app, you can click sign up and you would be taken to browser window where you can sign up using Google or Facebook or Apple accounts or your own email address. Very simple, right? Once you logged into the app, you would be automatically assigned the free version license. With free version, you can have up to 5 active projects, 5 collaborators per project, 5 megabytes file uploads, 3 filters, and 1 week of activity history. With Pro and Business, these limits increase, and you also get certain additional features like automatic reminders and backup. So let's take a look at the user interface. Once you logged into the app, you would be taken to Today's tab where you will see your scheduled task for that day. If you select Inbox from the left pane, you will see all your tasks that you have scheduled for the entire app. So whether the task is standalone or part of any project, they all will show up here. If you go to the upcoming section, here you can see summary of tasks as per calendar dates. And you can go to any date and check the task you have added for that specific date. There's a search option on the top, and this is one of my favorite features of this app. So here you can type any keyword. Let's say I use the word script. It would list any task that has script keyword for me, and I can just click and open it. Simple. Next is project, where you can create a new project and you can also use labels or filters to achieve better structure with your tasks. Top right corner, you can quickly add a task. If you want to quickly add a task, then arrow icon lets you set your goals. Example, how many tasks you want to close on daily or weekly basis. Then you have bell icon for notifications inside the app. Last, if you click on the profile picture, you get to choose themes, or you can see activity logs. You can also do integrations with Google Calendar and other calendar or project management apps. So to start with Todoist, first create a project. With this, you can organize your task inside that single project. So to create a project, just click on the plus sign right beside it. Just choose a name, color. You can also choose the view type to be a list view or a board view based on your preference. Then click add. Now you can add tasks inside your project. Super easy. Whenever you want to create a task, whether inside our inbox or a project, you just need to click on quick add on the top, or you can click add a task on the main screen. Once you put the description in, you can select the day recommended by the app or choose a date of your choice from the calendar. Next, choose the location where you want to create this task, whether you want it under your existing one or just inside the inbox. Next, if you want to choose a label for grouping your task, you can also set a priority, and reminder is available in the paid versions. Then just click add task. Once you add it, you can add a subtask, comment, or you can also see the activity when the task was created and updated. One cool thing that I want to show you, which is it also comes with pre-built templates. So if you click question mark icon on the top of the app window and go to templates, you can select among the list of templates and choose the one that you bring that you want to bring into the app. Like I will choose one-to-one meeting template, and I can use this template inside my tasks. Once task is due, you also get an email reminder in the free version. Pretty handy. So you can complete a task by clicking on circle icon. Then you can go to the top where the arrow icon will change to progress bar icon. Here you will see daily and weekly goals and how many tasks you completed for each. Karma section will give you a number of points for completing tasks successfully. Kind of rewarding, although you won't be getting any money for this. You can click on view completed tasks to review all your completed tasks. If you want to share your project with any external user, just go to the top and click share and type the email of the person, and he would get a link to your project and you can start collaborating. You can also assign the task by hovering your mouse on the right and select a person to assign and just choose that person. Once you've done it, it will show the person that task is assigned to. You can also create labels to organize your task. For example, I've created 2 labels, one for my YouTube videos related tasks and one with my name for personal tasks. Also, you can create filters using queries. Just click on the question mark icon on the top to go through the queries you like. For example, listing tasks by priority or by project and assignment. So pretty much customizable per your needs. So hopefully this free tool will make your life much easier when it comes to managing tasks. Let me know in the comment section what your thoughts or suggestions are. I would love to see you in the next video. Ciao.